While 30 students stranded in Kota reach home in UP's Muzaffarnagar, hundreds of Odia students are still waiting to be helped. They are stranded amidst a global pandemic in a city which is completely under lockdown, in a city with over 90 positive coronavirus cases. The students have made an appeal to the government of Odisha through Odisha Post Live.
Hello, I am Sushri Swastika from Angul, Odisha.
Safia, resident of Cuttack, Odisha.
Silvasisra Tripathi, Kota Island में पढ़ुची.
I am Rukia Kulsum from Cuttack, Odisha, staying in Landmark City, Kota, pursuing my medical coaching.
Since Kota has been turning into a hotspot according to the past few updates, it has been difficult for us to manage ourselves here.
We are facing the lockdown since 1.5 months. Initially, it wasn't a problem.
We were trying to upkeep and manage the situation, but we aren't able to handle it anymore.
The food which is being given to us is not of that good quality, and we can't trust the food because it isn't being prepared in front of us and is being transferred from different messes to our mess.
Our food is also transferred from one mess to another. Therefore, it comes in contact with the outside atmosphere, and we are not sure if the delivery boy is contaminated or not, and the food is safe to consume or not. That someday we don't even have food and live by biscuits only.
Facing a lot of security problems too, since the security guards and the hostel staffs have left the hostel in the responsibility of students.
There is no guard residing at a hostel. Hence, our safety is also at stake.
Our parents are quite panicked and anxious, and they want us to reach our cities safely.
The mental as well as the emotional breakdown of our parents have shattered us.
Our parents are also quite worried and anxious about our health and safety. Even sometimes we have to console them, and hence we have to tell that yes, we had our food properly, but the reality lies in somewhere else.
When we see the UP government, Madhya Pradesh government as well as the Uttarakhand government taking up the initiative to evacuate the students back home, it feels more depressing. So it is a humble and a firm request as well as appeal to the government of Odisha and officials to bring us back home safe.
We appeal to our Honorable Chief Minister Shri Naveen Patnaik ji and our state government to take necessary measures so that we can reach our state properly and safely.
गवर्नमेंट को मैंने रिक्वेस्ट कर आमको ये प्लीज इवाकुएट कर दिंतु आम पेरेंट्स भी बहुत अधिक चिंतार अच्छा जब आम घर को जब पलैबू तेज पेरेंट्स मैंने भी टेंशन फ्री आम भी आम स्ट्रेस फ्री होगी गोटे प्रकार स्टडी कंटिन्यू कर पार.
We at Odisha Post Live hope help reaches them soon.